How to collaborate on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I will simply show you the ways on how you can collaborate on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram. Go ahead and then simply either download or update the Instagram app. Now once you've updated and you want to collaborate with someone on Instagram, first of all, you will not be able to do it with a personal account. You need to simply switch to a professional or business account. So make sure you're aware of that, because if you don't switch to business or personal account, you will not be able to see the options which I show you after this video. So what you want to do is we're going to basically tap on the plus icon. Let's say I simply select a new post which I want to actually upload to my Instagram post. So let me just go ahead and select a particular post, let's say, and all I will do is tap on the arrow icon on the very top right corner. I will select the photo, and on this particular page we have to simply invite some of the collaborators and how we can collaborate. So all you got to do is tap on the button which says tag people, and once you tap on tag people, you'll find this little button over here which says invite collaborator. You have to simply tap on invite collaborator, and over here you have to go ahead and simply enter the name of the people you're actually following, or the business or brand you want to collaborate with. Simply tap on it, and once you do so, that person will also be able to edit and then share this feed to their profile grid. And then basically tap on the next button, and then you have to simply go ahead and then post it also to Twitter if you want to. You can go to advanced settings and follow all of these instructions. You gotta simply tap on the check button on the very top right hand corner in the screen in order to save the changes. And this is basically how you can collaborate with someone on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.